So you have spent hours researching TikTok, figuring out how to set up an ad, and creating a vertical video, but your ad's just not being spent. Sadly, for a lot of people that use TikTok's marketing platform, this is actually a pretty normal problem. So in this video, I'm gonna be running you guys down through the problems and the solutions in order to actually get your ads live. I just wanna let you guys know that all this information is actually available on my Discord. So I'm gonna actually leave a link in the description where you guys can actually join in and get in contact with me, look up all the resources I have available, and just in general have an easier time with setting up your ads. The first possibility involves your optimization and campaign objective. If you have your campaign objective set as conversion and your ad group optimization event set to complete payment, which happen to be bottom funnel goals, then changing the campaign objective or optimization event to a goal that is higher up the sales funnel will get your campaign to spend more. I suggest starting off with a reach or traffic campaign either alone or alongside a conversion campaign. Right before I actually created this video, I actually made an advertisement and I set the advertising objective to traffic. I actually set the optimization to complete checkout. The second thing you should be looking for is your budget. It is best practice to set a daily budget of at least 20 times your target CPA or cost per acquisition. With that said, TikTok recommends 50 times CPA for better results. For example, if your current budget is $25 per day, it might take 30 United States dollars per one conversion. At this rate, you may only receive one conversion a day, totaling about 7 a week. Keep in mind that the $30 I use is just an example, but I've seen it much higher. Even if that number were $5 per conversion, then that would only be about 4 a day or 28 conversions a week. The third thing that you should be looking at is day parting. If you've tried all of these steps so far and your ads are still not working, then make sure you're not day parting, as this may actually hinder the system from optimizing and serving impressions. Also, you could join my Discord. I'm actually going to be responding to people there much faster than YouTube, and I'm trying to build a little community where drop shippers or business owners can actually talk to each other and just have an overall easier time talking about TikTok marketing and its ad space, because I think it's on the come up and I think it's going to be one of the bigger advertising platforms of 2022.